If your Samsung phone keeps showing System UI isn't responding, your home screen, notifications or navigation bar may freeze. Don't worry, this is a common Android issue and you can usually fix it in minutes. So firstly, the very first fix that can help is just restart. So press and hold power plus volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds until the phone restarts. This alone fixes many System UI crashes. Then you can also go ahead into your settings and then apps, tap the three-dot menu, show system apps. Find System UI or your launcher, open storage and click on clear cache. Only clear cache, not data. And then click on the search for the apps and search for One UI Home, open storage and again clear cache. This fixes most home screen crashes. Then you can also do this. System UI errors often start after installing launchers, icon packs, widgets, and overlay apps. Uninstall the last apps you installed. Then you can also update the phone, go to settings, software updates, and download and install. Samsung patches System UI bugs and updates. And if nothing fixes it and you're still stuck, we have a last resort fix, which is wiping the cache partition. For that, you power off your phone, hold power plus volume up. That will allow you to enter the recovery mode. Then go ahead and use your down and up arrows for the volume to select wipe cache partition and then reboot system. Click on the power button to confirm. And also don't forget to back up your data and perform a factory reset. And these are the fixes for you guys. Hopefully either of them will help. And if they did, leave a comment and also thank us by pressing the like on the video and subscribing.